Hello, welcome to Prism Art TV. For today's video, we're going to make a Halloween goodie bag for trick-or-treating. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is done by Scarlett. First, we're going to cut out big pumpkin shape out of orange felt fabric sheet. You can size however you want it. We're going to make it slightly bigger than the tote bag. Then, let's create eyes using beige color. And add 2 small black eyes on top of it. Let's make the nose and mouth as well. And last but not least, we're going to add pumpkin stem using green. Let's attach them using glue gun. Once they're done, let's leave the pumpkin for now by the side. Flip the tote bag and let's design the other side using pencil. Once the sketch is done, you can use either color sharpies or use acrylic paint to decorate. We're going to let the letter Halloween to glow by using neon paint around them. When the painting side is done, let's flip the tote bag again and attach the pre-made pumpkin using the glue gun. We all done! Hope you guys have fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!